How to import Shopify products using a CSV file. So right here, I'm on the main page of Shopify and we want to go to products from the left hand side, and you should see this screen right here. So for the products, it's super simple. If we want to import a CSV file with a list of all of our products, we will simply click on import right here, and it will also give us the option to download a sample CSV, or if we have created one already, we can click on add file and simply locate your CSV file like so, and we are going to click on open. So it's going to look like this, and it will give us some options. We can either overwrite products with matching handles, or we can publish new products to all sales channels. So for this, we will click on upload and preview, and it's going to give us an example. So right here, 3 products, and it will show us what they look like and their weight, SKU, so on and so forth. And if you want to import those, we will click on import products, and it might take a little bit of time to actually import, but basically, like I just showed you, from the import screen you can download a sample CSV file, which you can then edit and add your own products, and then you can upload it that way directly onto here. So as you can see, I have this example right here, and now they have been successfully added to my online store. I hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.